Are you looking for a flat or an apartment at Bangur Joshua Road location? That too within a budget of 1 to 1.5 crores. Or are you getting a property where amenities and facilities are not working in the proper order, or prices are exorbitantly too high and you are forced to settle for a stand-alone building? Introducing Silver Icon, the project which is at Bangur Joshua Road. Over here you can get 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK within a gated complex with all amenities and facilities. Along with these luxury apartments of 2 BHK or 3 BHK or 4 BHK at an affordable price, you are getting other amenities like rooftop garden, amphitheater, swimming pool and many other. So what are you waiting for? Come to us and see the properties for yourself, book a site visit and contact us.